Hi, I'm Hannah Hutton, one of the fitness supervisors with the Fairfax County Park Authority. Our rec center mission has always been to provide you with resources that help you maintain a fit and healthy lifestyle. While the COVID-19 pandemic has caused us to change our operational safety practices, we remain committed to serving you with a safe and functional environment. During the pandemic shutdown, we followed CDC recommendations and implemented additional safety standards at our rec centers to help prevent the spread of illness. Our goal was both to ensure that we can operate responsibly and that you can use the facility safely in an ongoing pandemic. Now that these features are in place, we are so happy to welcome you back, and I'd like to share some of the changes with you. To limit contact for safety, we've implemented an advanced reservation system to ensure fitness room, pool, and overall building capacity is always consistent with current social distancing guidelines. Temperature checks to ensure everyone entering the building is fever-free. Plexiglass barriers at the front desk and other areas that may require close contact. A requirement for all staff, members, and guests to wear a mask when not actively exercising, except for children aged 2 and younger. And limited occupancy and directional signs to help assure social distancing of at least 6 feet in common areas like hallways and at least 10 feet in fitness areas. From an operational standpoint, cleaning and sanitizing protocols have been enhanced. They include regularly and thoroughly cleaning and sanitizing counters, restrooms, and other high-touch surfaces. Cleaning and sanitizing fitness equipment before and after each use. Allowing extra time between fitness classes to thoroughly clean and disinfect classroom surfaces and equipment. You'll also notice signs throughout the facility explaining our new practices and asking you to do your part to stop the spread of illness. The first one is simple. If you have a fever, a cough, or shortness of breath, please stay home until you are well. You'll also see safety reminders to wear a face covering or mask, practice social distancing, wipe down fitness equipment before and after use, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, do not use equipment that is out of service for cleaning or to ensure social distancing, and follow marked footprints and other directional signs to help ensure safe distances from others. Our enhanced safety protocols may take some getting used to, but we believe that they are just as important to your health as using proper form when lifting weights or pacing yourself when performing exercises. Let's all do our part to keep our rec centers safe and illness-free. Log on to reserve your ticket to enter the rec center, wear your mask, and get moving. We look forward to seeing you soon.